Hey guys, so today this video is going to be about me dyeing my hair. Well, I'm going to do this color. I'm just going to start off at the ends. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've always been scared to do it in case it didn't turn out right. My mother will kill me because she hates colored hair. But you know what? We're in lockdown and I was like, might as well try something. Do something fun, why not? Give it a go. You know, I don't have anything to lose. What could happen? The worst. Could go a bad colour. I guess anything can happen. Your hair can fall out. But we're going to give it a go. So I'm going to give this a go. Here, I would want to do all my hair. I would. I've just seen videos of people doing it and it didn't seem to really work out well. It just didn't look right. And the other thing is, right, so you can imagine this is my hair color now. My original hair color is jet black, like jet black. I've gone from jet black to a light purple. I've been bleached blonde. I've been, can you think of any other colors, Daryl? Blonde, brown, orange, because it's gone wrong, the bleach. A caramel balayage. Oh yes, I also did silver, yes. I did silver and it kind of tucked it, kind of didn't take it. But anyway, yeah, it's like a more lighty, dirty blondie color. But anyway, I will get back. You will see this video after I try this. I will come back in the next clip. There should be gloves. I'm missing gloves. Can I find other gloves? Maybe in here. Okay, so I'm back. What I have is a towel. Now, I usually prefer to use a towel that I've used previously that I've got stained. This is one of our good towels, but you know, wasn't really prepared. It's in the wash, the other one, so just going to use this. Alternatively, some people have a certain top they use just to like keep it off yourself. So yep, so I'm going to show you again. So it's the live ultra bright or pastel. It says if you want pastel, you can get that color by mixing it with the conditioner included. So this is the conditioner. I know I need to tap this to get it to focus. So this is the conditioner. There's meant to be two, and I originally thought that I had actually lost something, but because I thought there was meant to be a developer, obviously not. And then, because it says actually on the side what it includes, so it includes two of these. I have only found one. And then my son opened it, hence why things are missing. When we were in here together, he likes to pull things out of here and I have to put them back. But anyway, this is the tube then. So it's just conditioner and a colour tube. Nothing else. Oh, no, there should be something else. I'm pretty sure there should be gloves. There should be gloves. I'm missing gloves. Can I find other gloves? Maybe in here? There's no gloves in there.
Go downstairs and get
What do you mean?
there's gloves downstairs.
What gloves?
Those plasticky ones under the sink.
Are there?
Yeah. They're like paper bag.
Okay, I'll be back to get the gloves. Okay guys, so I'm now back. Give me a second. I'm just going to close the door here. My son's asleep, so I wanted to close it. Okay, so I'm back now. I just found other gloves from another box now I have there. Yeah, I have a lot of box buys, different colours, but anyway. I am going to be honest. I am not a professional in any means, so this could go really wrong. So I'm just going to try my best and see what comes out of it. I want it to kind of blend. I don't want it to be like a line across. Oh, it's such a cool color though. It's so pretty. So what I did is I just put a bubble in here because knowing me, if I was just to do it myself, I did it before. Oh, I also did another red color, but one of my friends did it with me so she could see the back of it. I could get my husband to do it with me, but I'm just doing it myself. Wow, okay, this is so bright. It's crazily bright, like wow. This is so cool. Okay guys, so I will come back when I have this done.
Right, it's recording.
Hey guys, so this is the look here. I know I didn't do very much beforehand. It was just to show you the colour and me how I was applying it a little bit. But yes, this is the next day and this is the colour here. To be honest with you, not professional, not a hairdresser. We're just in quarantine and I thought I would try it, and I'm very, very pleased with the colour it came out. I can't believe it came out this colour. I've always had very dark hair and colours just didn't take. So yeah, if you want to try it, I definitely recommend that live Rebel colour. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.